Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. Today at the weekly assembly, we were talking about mentor-mentee. For further more information, we will play a short video after this. In 3, 2, 1. Did you enjoy the video? I really hope that you enjoyed it. Okay, see you next time on Smash channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share to followers. Okay, bye bye.